Hello, this is a single-page app email client using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and behind-the-scenes Django framework. These are the functionalities. Mailbox. When a user clicks on each of these buttons, Inbox, Sent, Archive, the application loads the appropriate mailbox by making a GET request for that particular mailbox. When a mailbox is visited, the application queries a Django API for the latest emails in that mailbox. When a mailbox is visited, the name of this mailbox appears at the top of the page. Each email is rendered in its own box that displays who the email is from, what the subject is, and the timestamp of the email. If the email is unread, it appears with a white background. If it's been read, it appears with a gray background. Send mail. Compose button leads us to an interface by which we can send an email. After typing in one recipient or many, at mail.com, and typing in a subject and a message body. When clicking on Submit button, a server-side control checks the form for any errors before accepting the email. Here we have an error. User with email kate@mail does not exist. Now we can correct this error by typing in an existing email address. And when submitting the form, we've got a success message and the sent mailbox is loaded. View email. When a user clicks on an email, let's choose this one, new catalog. He'll be taken to a view with the content of that email. The view shows the email's sender, recipient, subject, timestamp, and the body. Once the email is clicked on, the application marks it as read. And now we can notice here it's gray background, which means it's been already read. Archive and Unarchive. When viewing an inbox email, the user is presented with a button that lets him archive the email. Once it's been archived, the user's inbox is loaded. We can archive another one, this one, archive. The same. Now we have two archived emails. When an archived email is viewed, the user can also go back and unarchive it by clicking on an archive button. The email is then back to the inbox mail, which is loaded after this action. You can also unarchive this one, unarchive. The inbox email is loaded and the archived mailbox is now empty. Reply. When viewing an email, the user is presented with a reply button that lets him reply to the email. When the user clicks on it, he is taken to the email composition form, which is prefilled with the recipient's field set to whoever sent the original email. The subject is prefilled with the original one prefixed by RE, colon. The body is also prefilled with the original text, which comes after a line on timestamp sender wrote. So we can reply there, Kim, Q4, catalog, send mail. Email sent successfully. Thank you.